Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these 3 different styles of coin boxes or Ginni boxes in 3 different shapes. So I will share how to make this in square, circle and triangular shape, and this is super duper easy to make, and I am just opening one of them, and inside this I have put one coin. So you can put silver coin or silver guinea to gift in wedding season. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. I am starting with my first box, that is square one. For this I am taking 16 by 16 centimeter white cardstock. From left side I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Similarly from top, from right and from the bottom also I have creased at 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Now can you see here these crisscross lines? So on this point, that is on the second crease line, from left side I am marking at 1 centimeters. Similarly here also I am marking from right side on 1 centimeter, and also I am marking at 1 centimeter at second crease line. And now we have to just join these markings diagonally, then one vertical line, again diagonal, vertical line, and we have to repeat this on this side as well. Diagonal, vertical, diagonal and again vertical. And here I am just joining horizontal like this. So we have to cut the pencil markings now. Here I am showing you how to make the shadow box. So this is done. Similarly I am going to cut other 2 sides. So after cutting all 4 sides, it should look like this. Now burnish all the crease marks and fold it nicely using bone folder, and then we just need to fold all the creased parts and tuck inside each other to construct the shadow box. Like this, so cute. And to adhere it permanently, I have just added few drops of glue in all 4 corners, and this is done. Now to make lid, here I am taking one more piece of white color cardstock, and this measures 18 by 8 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 1, 9.1 and 10.2 centimeters. Now again folding all the creased parts and burnish it. Then it's time to stick this with the box. So add glue and stick it nicely like this. And this is done. Then I am decorating my box using this beautiful purple color pattern paper by Dress My Craft. As always, I have given all the supply links in description box if you want to purchase anything, and also don't forget to check out all the coupons for different websites to get some extra discounts while shopping. Now I have cut this beautiful gold mirror frame design, which I am going to attach like this. Then I am taking one piece of double-sided tape, just putting it on the front. Similarly adding one more piece on back side, removing the liners, and I am going to stick ribbons on both the sides. And to hide this ribbon, I am decorating with beautiful pattern paper. Similarly connecting one more ribbon on front top and decorating using this beautiful floral pattern paper. Also adding strip on the side. Also adding one more small strip on the box. And very beautiful and very attractive teeny mini coin box is ready. Tying the ribbon quickly, and now it's time to decorate the top. So here I'm taking purple color cardstock square which is 4.5 by 4.5 centimeters and one yellow square which is 2.5 by 2.5 centimeters. So I'm just sticking the yellow paper on purple cardstock like this in diamond shape, then sticking this piece exactly in the center of the box lid. Then decorating the edge using this beautiful diamond lace or diamond chain. Then decorating the yellow square using pearl chain. Then here I am taking 1/8 strip of purple color in 2 mm and making one tight coil, and also I have created one bigger tight coil using 1 strip of dark purple color in 2 mm. So sticking dark purple tight coil in the center. Around this I am adding dark blue color ball chain, then adding pearl chain, and around this I am adding small light purple tight coils. Like this. Then I am taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. Similarly, we need 2 more small leaf shape which are made using 1/4 strips. So taking back my box and decorating the corner like this. I have already decorated remaining 3 corners with the same size petals. And then randomly I am just adding some mirrors in leaf shape and in the circle shape. Also in 4 corners I am adding 4 diamond mirrors. And on both sides of these mirrors I am adding small size half cut pearls. And the beautiful and very attractive first box, that is square box, is ready. So pretty. Now I am starting with the circular box in aqua blue color. For this I am taking this white cardstock circle which is having 3.9 centimeter radius, and I am taking here white cardstock strip which is 29.5 by 2.5 centimeters. I have just cut the bottoms like this by folding it at 1 centimeters. So first we have to stick double-sided tape in the bottom like this, and we have to cut it in zigzag manner. So with the same method I have already added double-sided tape on remaining strip and already cut in zigzag shape. Now removing all the liners quickly. Then taking back the circular base, and we have to stick the strip around the circle carefully like this to construct the box. So in this method you can create any shape box. Secure both the ends with glue nicely, and the circular base box is ready. Then I am taking 10 mm aqua blue color strip, just putting it inside the box for the measurements. Pull it little bit, add little glue, and start adding some more strips with this. So in total I am adding 8 strips and making one big ring shape. So the ring is ready and it is going inside the box perfectly. Now taking 2 more designer paper circle, one in 4 cm radius and one in 3.9 cm radius. So I am attaching both the circles like this with each other. And then taking the ring which we have created and sticking it like this. So here our lid for the box is ready. Yes, it's fitting perfectly. Then decorating my box using some designer pattern papers. Also decorating the outer side like this with the same pattern paper strip. And our beautiful box base is ready with the lid. Very nice and compact, and also lid is not coming out easily. So it's time to decorate this. For this I am taking this 2 cm radius light green color cardstock circle, and on this I am adding 1.5 cm radius blue color circle. I have already decorated the edge of the circle using diamond chain. In the center I am adding both the circles. Around the blue circle I am adding green color ball chain. Then on the edge of light green color cardstock circle I am adding diamond chain. Then in all 4 corners I am adding some mirror shapes and some stones like this. Similarly, I am adding 2 more on these sides, and then around the ball chain I am adding small tight coils which are made using 1/8 strip of aqua blue color. In the center adding light green color tight coil which is made using 1 strip. Then adding blue color ball chain and some small leaf shapes in white color which are made using 1/8 strips. And then I am adding one small circular mirror in the center. And the super gorgeous circle shaped Ginni box or coin box is ready. Now I am starting with my last but not the least third triangular shape box. So using 5 cm radius making one circle, and with the same radius I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts, then joining 3 parts together to create equilateral triangle, cutting the circle shape like this. Then we have to crease on all the triangle edges, erasing the pencil work. Then taking here 30 by 2.5 cm white color cardstock. From left side I have creased at 8.6, 17.2 and 26 centimeters, folding all the creased parts. Add glue on the folded part of the triangle and sticking the strip on this to construct the edge. And here our base triangle box is ready. Very easy. Now I am decorating this with beautiful polka dot pattern paper. Also decorating the edge. after decorating the box, it should look like this. I have kept the outer side as it is. And with the same method, I have created the lid using 5.2 centimeter radius. The process is same, and I have decorated the top using same pattern paper as we used for remaining boxes for top. And now we can simply put our lid on the box, and yes, it's fitting perfectly, nice, crisp and sturdy. Now it's time to decorate this. So I have added golden diamond chain around the edge of the box already. Now I have created this beautiful carry shape in a red cardstock, that is a pencil shape, and sticking it exactly in the center. Now on the edge I am adding this beautiful pearl chain, and inside the pearl chain I am decorating with red color ball chain. Then in the center I am adding this bended teardrop shape, which is made using one strip of white color in 2 mm. Then around this I am adding light pink color tight coils, which are made using 1/4 strip of light pink color in 2 mm. Then in 3 corners of the box I am adding these teardrop shapes, which are made using one strip of light pink color in 2 mm, and then decorating using some different shapes of mirrors. And this is completely ready. So our triangular box is also completely done. Now I am showing you how you can put your coin inside this. So I'm just taking one small piece of double-sided tacky tape, and we have to stick our coin in the center. Usually silver coins comes with plastic box, so you can attach double-sided tape on plastic box, remove the liner and stick exactly in the center of the box. I don't have silver coin right now, so I'm just showing it with ordinary coin. And after putting it inside the box, you can just close the lid. And with the same method you can put the coins in remaining boxes, and you can also make different shapes like hexagon or oval shape or rectangular shape, whatever shape you like to put guineas or coins to gift as a shagun in the wedding season or any traditional festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.